Dear friends, my name is Dimitris Tsingos. I am the founder of Together for Europe, the movement for the European Federal Union. I am recording this message at the village of Distomou, 150 kilometers from Athens, here on the 10th of June, 1944. Nazis did one of the worst atrocities of the Second World War, brutally slaughtering more than 200 civilians, including elderly, children, even women in their pregnancy. Every European should remember the horror of the Second World War and to make sure that we shall work collectively together, and in that way we shall never have to experience such a tragedy again. More than 80 years after the end of the war, the memories are fading out and the last survivors are passing away. We have the moral duty to remember ourselves, to remind ourselves that peace is not given, that freedom is not given. We have to work actively to maintain both peace and freedom. And for every European, the only way to do that is to acknowledge the reality that we have to pool our sovereignties together into one federal union, into the European Federal Union, and to work in a bottom-up way to create a superpower of peace, freedom, equality, justice, culture and education, a moral power which is so much necessary for Europeans but also for the whole world. 6 years ago, in the beginning of the COVID pandemic, we saw the member states failing to protect their citizens. It became evident that we need to join forces. 6 years down the road, today, the need is more evident and obvious than ever before. I invite you then to join our collective movement, our grassroots initiative, and work with us for turning this bold vision into our new exciting reality. Simply go on togetherforeurope.com and join our grassroots initiative.